This one, we're going to have the die stationary and turn the pipe. So you got to bring the pipe through this chuck, hold it and center it up, okay? Then you just bring this long here and hit it twice. Twice is all you need, okay? You got the pipe cutter here. You're going to come down, cut the pipe. Once the pipe's cut, you move the pipe cutter up and out of the way. After you cut, you need to ream the ID of the pipe. This here is what's going to thread your pipe. We got it set on 3/4 because we got 3/4 pipe. This opens and closes the dies, okay? So I'm going to have them close to thread the pipe. Once I get to the end of the die, I open them up and come off the pipe, okay? And we have a completed thread. Okay, to change out the dies on the 811 die head on the 5301, what you have to do, you look at the back plate, it says change die, you loosen this knob, and you have to slide this plate all the way in the direction of the arrow. Now, you've got this little tab right here, and it would come so far that it hits that tab. So what you have to do, you gotta make sure that tab is outside that area there to let it come all the way. When it came all the way, you see how that dropped out? Yep. Those just slide out. So now I'm putting a new set in there. Your dies come in numbered 1 through 4. You got number 1, goes in slot number 1. Has the line on it that lets you know the depth, how far you sliding them in. Once they go in, you slide this till they engage. And you'll have to move these a little bit sometimes, a little bit, to make sure they get engaged. Once they engage, you see them slide, you got it. Tighten it back, you just change the set of dies.